and I'll be giving you a demo of the Eyewear data models web application. So this is the front end, which runs in Next.js. So this is a very basic page for just uploading the file and sending it to localhost 8000, which acts as a fast API or Python-based API and runs the data models. This is a fast API. So as we can see, these are the 8 models which the product goes through. We have also configured Docker file to host it on you know cloud, and this is the main part of the API. Now this is running in port 8000, and it's just head over to localhost 3000 to test the site. And first of all, let's just um, get some test images. So I already have downloaded a few test images. Let's see. Any you know any kind of uh, images should work. These are the test images I have downloaded, and let's just upload them all together. I know this is gonna take some time to process it, but I pause the video and let's just wait for the models to work. I click on upload. Let's just wait. Yeah, so API ran successfully, and we have the following results for the 6 classes. So the accuracy is pretty high, and we didn't really have a very good data available. So yeah, that's what it is. But as we all know, that the data model's accuracy depends upon the data provided by the client. So here it is. We can also download it as CSV and just open it. So here we have this data. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.